Hello and welcome to today's English grammar lesson. Today, we will be discussing verb tenses, which are used to indicate when an action takes place. There are three main verb tenses in English: past, present, and future. Let's start with the past tense. The past tense is used to talk about an action that happened in the past. For regular verbs, the past tense is formed by adding ed to the base form of the verb. For example, walk becomes walked, and talk becomes talked. Irregular verbs, on the other hand, have unique past tense forms. For example, go becomes went, and eat becomes ate. It's important to memorize the past tense forms of irregular verbs to use them correctly. Next, let's move on to the present tense. The present tense is used to talk about actions that are happening now or are ongoing. For example, I am eating breakfast or she is reading a book. The present tense for most verbs is formed by adding s or s to the base form of the verb for third-person singular subjects, such as he, she, or it. Finally, the future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. The future tense is formed using will or going to plus the base form of the verb. For example, I will eat lunch or they are going to watch a movie. It's important to note that there are also many other verb tenses in English, such as the past continuous, present perfect, and future perfect. These tenses are used to express more complex ideas about the timing of actions. That's it for today's grammar lesson on verb tenses. Remember to practice using different verb tenses in your English conversations and writing, and keep studying English grammar to improve your skills. Thanks for watching and see you next time.